Hi everyone, this is Yenji Perez of Agent Know How. I want to give you a demonstration of the mifunnel app. If you're not already familiar with our application, what I am doing and my company is that we're creating a lead management, transaction management, or commission management application for iPhone and iPad users. So here's our icon at the bottom where it says mifunnel. I kind of want to show you what the application is going to do for you so that you know ahead of time, what to expect. So here we have a couple of menu options. I think these are pretty clear in terms of how to add a client, if you have any reminders pertaining to transactions or clients, if you want to look at your commissions, reports, transactions, and settings. So let's look at commissions. Is probably my favorite section. Right now, I had some commissions that I had entered originally. So on this screen, you're going to see the day that you entered the commission. You're also going to see the client's name, the sales price of the home, as well as your net commission income. So let's take a look at what that looks like. This is actually the gross commission screen. Kind of gives you an idea of what your commission is going to be at the end of the day. If you just look at the surface level of the commission, which is sales price, the commission percentage, you can save it and move on to the next section, which will be the net commission income. This to me is important because I know as a realtor I have to pay certain fees, such as an MLS fee if I'm a buyer's agent, for example, or a marketing fee, my split if I'm paying a referral, or franchise, miscellaneous, and even something that I put aside for taxes. So that's one section of the app, which is commissions. You're going to be able to, let me just go back to that screen because I want you guys to see that you can actually move these fees up and down, and it's actually going to change your calculations based on what you enter into the system. Okay, you can actually edit these. Okay, you can also change the value, which we haven't designed that just yet, but basically this is going to be able to give you an idea of what your net commissions are going to be on different transactions. So the next thing that I want to show you is transactions. Again, same three people that I had entered before. You get to see when they were entered, what type of transaction it is, and whether or not it's active, pending, closed, or inactive. So you're going to be able to add information to the app itself. One thing that I like here is you can kind of give it a photo reminder. You can enter the details of the property, and then when you're ready, you can go back. And you can pick out what type of sale it is, rental, let's say, if it's active, pending, closed, inactive. Lead source, we give you a lot of different options here of where that lead came from. Even, what's the MLS number, if you have a lockbox code, shackle code, these are the types of things that I think agents need on the fly, and including what's your projected closing date. We collect that for reporting later on. I'll show you what that is. You can add reminders to the transactions, and you can also add other people involved in the sale, such as the buyer's agent, seller's agent, title company, so that you can always have a point of reference. One of the problems in my business is that I might get a call from an appraiser and we're not ready to do the appraiser just yet, or the appraisal just yet. So I have to be able to remind myself who that person is once I get back to, or how do I get back to that person is important to me. What else can I show you? I want to show you some reports. Reports are actually the three different types of reports that we have so far, and I just have screenshots of them, so I don't have the actual reports application working in the programs just yet, but I want to show you what the reports may look like. The very first report might be something like dollar volume. If you have a goal to sell $3,000 or $3 million worth of real estate, we want to be able to show you, how much real estate you're selling. In which case this graph is going to change based on what you report in the app itself. We also want to show you your income per month and per year, and this one's showing you a year-to-date income, what you have as active, pending, closed versus inactive. This is just an example, and including where your leads are coming from. I think that this is important information that realtors should have on the fly. So the commission reporting, tracking, and lead management app is going to be called mifunnel, and I want you to give us any feedback that you may have, if you like or dislike, or if you have any ideas on how we can improve it. Please leave them in the comment section below. Thanks for listening.